Hello everybody, I am Rajendra Vaishamban from Lemis India. Today we will discuss about the cleaning process of Lemis make inline density meter model DC50. This is G-type density meter which is fitted in the terminals different HBCL, IOCL, then BPCL. Okay. When you need to clean this density meter, when there is a deviation between the manual reading and reading given by or measured by this DC50, this is local display. Now when such thing happens, first you ensure that your strainer is clean, otherwise first clean strainer and then come to density meter. First of all, you switch off the supply for this density meter, then come to density meter. This is installed in bypass line. Skid is made there, skid is assembled, and in that skid it is mounted. Then you open this cap, note down all these wires carefully and properly, and take out this cable. Keep it aside properly. When you do this process in the rainy season, please make sure that water should not intrude inside. Now, this is outlet, this is inlet. Now first you have to close inlet wall in the bypass line, inlet for this, and then outlet wall. After closing these two walls, then you concentrate here. This is head or electronic, and this is chamber of this DC50. Using Allen key 5 mm and 10-11 fixed spanner, you have to slacken this screws of this chamber. Now, holding this blue head gently, you lift up this sensor. Remember, this O-ring is very much important. Please do not forget to put it back. First, keep it aside safely, and while assembling again, it should go to its place only. Do not forget this part. Start. Now, we have lifted up sensor and we have taken it out from this chamber. See, this type of sludge particles you can come across. This will affect the resonance on the resonance, and the reading may be wrong or reading will deviate. So to clean this part, this is shield, and inside this is the measuring cylinder which actually resonates with resonance frequency, and inner to that cylinder the temperature sensor is there. So now we will take MS or SKO, whatever is available at the terminal, and take it into one bucket or jar, and slowly holding this blue head, immerse it into that bucket. Hold it for some time, keep it 4-5 minutes. After that you steer it clockwise, anti-clockwise. See if any residue still remains on it. If any residue is there, take clean cotton cloth, apply it gently on it. Still it is not clean, you can take brush also, toothbrush with soft bristles or even paintbrush with soft bristles you can use. Very gently you can clean it, or this, using this also. Again immerse it 2-3 times. See, almost it is clean. If any residue is inside, you can take one screwdriver, wrap this cloth, but with extreme care. It should not damage. Very carefully, very gently, no big pressure. Normal pressure, you can do like this also. See, now it is clean. This cleaning process you have to carry out every month or when there is deviation. Okay. Now we have cleaned this sensor with this SKU which was available. Now about this chamber, there will be residue remaining in this chamber. Chamber will be mounted in the bypass line. So now what you can do, take one bucket. If drain wall is not there, then you have to take bucket, slack this nut bolts. The residue product will come out, collect it into bucket. Then this chamber will become empty. Then keep it aside. If drain wall is there, drain wall will be present in this incoming line. Open that drain wall and collect that residue of product into the bucket. There are two options. Now this chamber is empty, but some dust will be inside. Wrap some cotton cloth, clean cotton cloth to one either stick or a big screwdriver. Then gently you can clean chamber. You can pour some SKU and again clean chamber. Always correct this like this. Clean it gently. 2-3 times you have to apply this till end of this chamber. Now your chamber is clean. Now what you have to do, tighten all these nut bolts so that no air gap will be there. Question of air gap will be eliminated. Now do not forget to place back this O-ring. Slowly insert it, mount it on the chamber, and using 10 and 11 fit nut bolts back. After fitting this, you have to make connections. Connect this cable back. It was noted previously which wire fits where. Then ensure everything is tight. These nut bolts, these all nut bolts are tight. Then close drain valve. First open outlet valve. Then open inlet valve. Ensure that there is flow through this density meter using sample valve, opening sample valve. So collect sample into this bucket for 2-3 seconds, then close sample valve. Now cleaning process is complete. Replace this cap, feed back this cap. Go to control room, switch on power for this density meter, wait for 2-3 minutes, then observe reading on the display. Take sample, opening sample wall, measure density using hydrometer, but do not forget to abide by the norms stated or given in ASTM D1298, how to measure density of a liquid using hydrometer. Consider meniscus, everything, and then compare both readings. Thank you for very much for your attention. If still any problem persists, please contact Lemis India Engineers, Mr. Sandeep Kamble, 97023 11184, Rajendra Vaishampayan, 98231 09607. Thank you so much.